Black Day against Undemocratic Act. Students of Manipur observed Black Day against recent injuring of protesters in Tripura during NESO strike on January 8. Meeting denounces CA Bill 2019. National People's Party convenes crucial meeting against Citizenship Amendment Bill in Guwahati today. False assurances. MPCC asks CM Biren why to urge Centre to exempt Manipur from Citizenship Amendment Bill after assuring that it poses no threat to Manipur. And social bodies decry Citizenship Amendment Bill. Amuko and 12 other civil society organizations jointly carry out protest meet and rally against the bill. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Chirusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur joins the rest of northeast states in observing Black Day initiated by NESO today. The day was observed against the undemocratic act of the Tripura police, who fired and severely injured the protesting students against the Citizenship Amendment Bill during the total shutdown called by NESO in northeast states on January 8. 6 students organizations of the state, namely AMSU, MSF, DISAM, KSA, SUK and AIMS, observed the day by hoisting a black flag at AMSU office DM University campus. Speaking on the sideline, AMSU President Manjit Sarangtem condemned Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren for trying to pacify the people of the state as if they are ignorant about the threat posed by the bill. Manjit demanded Chief Minister Biren to act courageously like other chief ministers of the northeast states and pressurize the central government not to turn the bill into an act.
Lengak asigi leiriva minister singa sina ikoi miyam gi namakta lepang ngam dawai basa lengak pa amo oina Manipur miyam gi namakta yam kaijeningai oi asugum lengak pa sing mari lawdaba singa sa ikoi miyam na chap chaba lesson nama koi tambiwa matam oi haiba do si miyam na thamjening baga lo yam na makha tan bin full chat na honak labadi koi makha tan mihau lang pok yaw ihau kya jumu kachiga li changsel lakpa gal loina na ikoi makha tan pam dawa thodok sing tholang no central government sin mani na logani.
Speaking to media, Vice President of DISAM N. Edison condemned the assurances given by one BJP spokesperson on media yesterday by stating that the Citizenship Amendment Bill cannot harm the state as the Manipur People Bill exists in defense. He advised the BJP to hold an in-depth discussions on the two bills before releasing such misleading statements on media. Edison said students' organizations of the state strongly condemn such act of the BJP government as trying to gain a political mileage. He also urged all the other political parties not to politicize the issue but to sincerely put in efforts to curb the bill. The protesting students chanted various slogans against the BJP government and against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill in northeast states during the observance.
Citizenship Amendment Bill haibasina India gi mapandagi lebak ahum khaktigi akoida ain kaina haijalaki mitop sing India ki citizen ohenba yanana bagi aduguma bill makhalamani aduga Manipur gi state assembly da pass tokbe bill aduna mase akogi India gi tongan tongan ba mafam singdagi Manipur da changak matamda regulate tawgani haiba regulate tawna bagi aduguma bill amani siguma bill ani se tongan tongan masak laiba tongan magi maong leijaba sigumba bill ani sibu punchen halaga yensin lalaga akogi Manipur miyam amadi north east ki miyam chamam na hanba ya maong am khakta wafum kya phongdorak pase mase Manipur miyam gena mase yamna chawba adugumba laibak thibu bangkhangni aduna makhata na sigumba BJP ki political parties na Manipur miyam da chamam na hanba yaba sigumba bill ani sigi marak chamam na halaga khongeng changsil Manipur miyam sibo akoina sigumba wafum singa se mase ko phongdorak taba na phagani.
Students in Hairok also observed the Black Day against the Citizenship Amendment Bill under the initiative of AMSU, DESA, MSF, KSA, AIMS and SUK. The protesting students formed human chain at Hairok Market and chanted slogans against the bill. All Kakching Student Union of Kanglei Park and Kakching Kaithel Apunba Imalup also today jointly protested the recent passing of a Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in Lok Sabha. A protest rally against the same was taken out at Kaching Bazaar. Taking part in the protest, President of All Kaching Student Union, Ronald Shaugaizam, warned of intense agitation if the bill is not immediately withdrawn.
Karigumba Indian Sarkar na nampu apuda asigumba ek asi chatna raglabadi akoi Manipur haibasi Indian Constitution ne kya na Manipur Constitution ek leisure ko lamdam amani asigumlaba akoi asi autonomous stan be yabagi kongkham da akoi miyam punna Manipur pumana leblapa ya haibasi Indian Sarkar na khambi ga dabani athuwa matamda bill asi withdraw tawdaba taragati akoi makata na Indian Constitution akoi illoi amadi Indian gi Pirana chingba mai tharak payai akoi Indian da tiloi haibasi akoi myam punna khongjam jamthilak payai haibasi Indian Sarkar na khangbina ba pilasi tawjare.
Following the strong condemnation of the Citizenship Amendment Bill declared by President of National People's Party and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, the party held a major meeting today and discussed on the bill, and the meeting resolved to stand against the bill. Impact News sources said NPP, the upcoming major regional political party of the Northeast states, convened a crucial meeting at Guwahati's Hotel Taj Vivanta. The meeting, chaired by Conrad Sangma, which was attended by party state units, ministers, MLAs and party leaders of 5 Northeast states, resolved to stand against any threat to Northeast states. NPP has assured to take active measures against the bill. A president of NPP Manipur State Unit and 4 ministers of the party in the BJP-led state government also attended the meeting. Lok Jana Shakti Party LJP Manipur State Unit also submitted a memorandum to LJP President in the wake of rising upheavals in Northeast states against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has condemned BJP state government of giving false assurances that Centre will be apprised to exclude Manipur from the implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 if it is ever passed in the Parliament. MPCC mocked BJP and asked why Chief Minister Nongthong Biren would even urge the Centre to exempt Manipur from the bill if the bill poses no threat in the first place. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan, spokesperson of MPCC, Hareshwar Goswami, condemned the act of the state government for ignoring the threat imposed by the bill before it was passed in the Lok Sabha. He further condemned the BJP government for blaming Congress of politicizing the issue when Congress party held conventions, processions and protests against the bill since last May. He mentioned that Congress has been urging the President, Prime Minister, Joint Parliamentary Committee against the bill. The party spokesperson said if the state government and BJP had listened to the people's voice the way Congress party has, the current upheavals in the state would not have occurred.
Citizenship Amendment Bill sina karim toroi di hairaga cabinet decision lowdana Manipur exclude to view mo hai karim toroi du worga di kadawi exclude to view hai no pot si tasengna ma khangdaba nga ke hairakpa intellectual singi akang ai singi constitutional expert singi du opinion lowdana ningak pa hairakpa singnotar ga pangangang man bagi film do ekoi na handaki matang ki thengnai 100 times sena sathi ba sapu mo orakani maramaduna ekoi na pambadi Manipur People's Protection Bill su ekoi athu matum da pass to pami madukum na yenga matungda loina na huji ki oina di Citizenship Amendment Bill se withdraw tawdabani haibasini loina na Manipur government su masibu withdraw tawba sida masi makoi na su hariba bill se masi reject tawi ai northeast ki state atai singda CM sing honorable minister sing na tawugumna khoi yaning de haibatu phongkhum thoi.
Proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release stated that Chief Minister Nongthong Biren, his Council of Ministers and MLAs went to attend BJP's National Council meeting at Ramlila Maidan, New Delhi, and not to urge the centre to exempt Manipur from Citizenship Amendment Bill. The proscribed party alleged the BJP-led state government of bluffing the public. All Manipur United Clubs Organization (AMUCO) and 12 various organizations of the state have jointly decried the Citizenship Amendment Bill today. A sit-in was staged at Kwakaitil Akhamlekai Community Hall today, participated by various students and Meitei Pangal organizations, Mairapaibis, and women folks. Taking part in the protest meet, AMUCO President P.H. Deban condemned the bill as a ploy of the Indian government to extinguish native people of the northeast states. He stressed the need for the people of the northeast states to mobilize against the threatening bill. Deban urged the people to pressurize the Prime Minister and the relevant authority to approve the Manipur People Bill 2018. After the sit-in, the protesters took out a protest rally, chanting various slogans, condemning the bill, demanding to implement Manipur People Bill 2018 and to take up definite measures against the bill towards Kaishampat. However, the rally was halted by police at Kaishampat Junction.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯡꯒꯣꯂꯣꯏꯗ ꯏꯁꯇꯣꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯦꯟꯂꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒ ꯁꯨꯛꯃꯥꯟ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯂꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯍꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯔꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯣꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯕꯤꯖꯦꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ डायरेक्ट हिंदू काबक काबक नतब हिंदू पक्का मयाम थाजलनबी वाखलों से नई है अखोई पुनमक खंग अचौब सुनामी हुमगांदा अखोई सिंह मरु फंग मुक्किनबगी अदुगुंबा एक अमा ओइबनिना मसिगी मायोक्ता अखोई सीब चंब खंगना अखोई थेंगनब ताई मसिगी मायोक्ता अखोई लेप ताई सिनी.
Workers of Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee (MPYCC) took out a protest rally against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 today. The protest rally flagged off from Congress Bhavan towards the Governor's bungalow to submit a memorandum against the bill. Imphal West Police debarred the protesters from marching ahead and allowed only 5 members to meet Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla. The protesters expressed full support to any movement against the bill.
मसीगी बिल से लोक सभा पास तौरसु राज्य सभा पास तौदनब विड्रॉ तौबीनब मसीगी अपील से गवर्नर की मफम कांग्रेस की माइकई कांग्रेस पार्टी की माइकई अपील तौजरूबनी.
Security has been beefed up ahead of Republic Day in Imphal city. As part of the security measures, Bazaar unit of Imphal West Commando under the supervision of Additional SP Operation of Imphal West Police T.H. Krishna Tombi carried out cordon and search operations in and around Maharani Bridge and Kasturi Bridge from 8 to 8:45 this morning. 300 individuals were verified during the drive. 32 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. A combined team of Moreh Police and 43rd Assam Rifles confiscated 62 kgs of sandalwood and redwood in Moreh last night. The total value of the seizure is worth around 9 lakh rupees. Acting on the tip-off, the combined team conducted search operations at the residence of one Mohammad Rajauddin from Moreh Wards number 7. The miscreant and the seized products were handed over to Moreh Police Station and necessary legal actions are underway. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the reception of a German couple on a world cycling tour by Mamba. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. German couple Olga and her husband Michael, who are on a world cycling tour, reached Manipur around 3 p.m. today. Manipur Adventure and Mountain Biking Association Mamba felicitated the couple at Mamba office opposite to ISBT's first gate, Kumadlampag. Speaking to media, Olga and Michael stated that they set off their journey on May 2016 and have cycled across 33 countries covering a distance of 30,000 kilometers. They will be leaving Imphal for Moreh tomorrow for their next journey towards Myanmar and Thailand.
To see the world, to learn about different cultures, to see all the people on our planet and just to learn about human beings. We really enjoy it because we were at such a warm welcoming of the local cycling community, which is just fantastic, which is exactly what we want.
We enjoy the weather here also because it's up was a bit more cold. Here's very nice weather. The sun is shining.
MLA Nambol and Loken has inaugurated the 3-day 10th state-level Lowroy Festival 2018-19 at IWSE Ground, Kumbong, Awang Sabal today. Lowroy Festival Observation Committee organized the festival on the theme Lowmibu Ikai Kumnaba Amadi Malem Imabu Kurumjaba. Former MLA Kontaujam K. Sharat, member of Urembam Zilla Parishad, T.H. Nilamani and UCM President Sunil Karam were among those present in the event. Speaking in the event, MLA Loken expressed apprehension that with the advent of farm mechanization, farmers and workers will be facing more hardships. He also urged the government to take appropriate measures against Citizenship Amendment Bill, keeping in mind the sentiment of the people. Various entertainment events, including Best Blogs competition, folk songs and dance, highlighted the event.
Science and technology में चौखलक मतम हौजी के farm mechanization अगोई agriculture department ले रिबा सीसना technologies ने चौखलक की मतुंग निना machine जे चार पुथोर करे अजुन नसी दी अगोई की लो आहाम मददी सुपन तक की खोई बकत की कोपुटा कुंपा अगोई की power tiller कुंपा अगोई की tractor कुंपा सी तम्बा पुथो अम्मी अदगी मथक ता बदगी दी लो खाओ बगी सी पुथोर ए लो ये बखाओ की बगी दा लोई न पुथो करे मरुइना मतम मददी अखोगी इरेना मसागी लौसिंग लेजदब कयासी अदुगुम लौसिंग मदुदा खुलम कुम कांदा मागी सेंथोक लंबेल ओइजरपदो नसिदी नोमगी कखिबदुना नसिदी अखोगी मणिपुरदा अदुगुमबा सेल खुमगी अदुगुम अवाबगी सैथेंग अछि लौमी सिंगदा हेन पीबगी तंजा दुमसो लागी.
Agriculture Director P.H. Rajendra has asserted that the ongoing over 10 schemes sponsored by Centre and State under the Agriculture Department can be fully implemented only with cooperation from farmers. He was speaking during the sensitization program on various undertakings of the Agriculture Department held at Kongpal, Tangkhul in Senapati district today. He also stressed the need for proper communication between farmers and officials of the department for successful execution of the schemes. Rajendra stated that department officials under the strict instructions of Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren have provided various schemes and projects to farmers. He mentioned that under Chief Minister's Rabi campaign, various winter crops are being widely cultivated in agricultural fields post-harvest. The Agriculture Director also mentioned that subsidized agricultural machineries are now made available to farmers. Headman of Kongbal Tangkhul, Zimik Awungshi, CCSK President Jitendra Ningomba and many officials of the Agriculture Department attended the event.
Application si hayang mai to bisan biyo khoida si 95% subsidy ni lupa lakh tara pi post si lupa lakh mapan ngal lising yang khai si government na puthoni lising yang khai kadang kuna putho godoi ne aduga apun ba hari ba hoji ki farmer club si gi port oine leira kanda member khuding maki magi lam si loina khoira matung da muka sandoga haya tor kanda revenue and my income lakh kadoi ne customer hiring service center samana hangani aduga magi madada lay mai lena ba mechanic kari kari magi tawgi paisa myam spirit ka doine khwaidagi phaba scheme ni sini yam kanna business honorable submission tawning se masi yam thuna koi hoji emergency kai lege kan thi hoji se handaki republic day si matung da masi yethok laba yai koi kanna hoji konari ado handaki tarik kun bhaba masi gi matam amma pi khibne khona dragas ko bugi ani yam thuna chi khun ji jung thajan bi ho.
Old Manipur Music Association held its 34th Foundation Day celebration at the hall of Sri Sri Bal Mukundev Government Music College in Palace Compound today. Floral tributes were paid at the portrait of Amma, founder and late executive members of the association. A music CD of collection of classical songs by renowned classical music artist late H. Modu Sharma was also released on the occasion. Speaking in the event, Amma's secretary A. Rabindra expressed that one cannot become a successful singer without the knowledge of classical music. Radiant Group launched Green Manipur campaign for a pollution-free Manipur today. The campaign aims to reduce noise and air pollution by reducing the number of petrol and diesel vehicles and replacing it with electric vehicles of zero smoke emission and zero fuel consumption. Speaking in the event held at the head office of Radiant Group in Ghari Awang Laikai, Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakishore, stressed the need to check the rising pollution in the state. He urged the people to stop using vehicles more than 15 years old. He appeals for public cooperation in controlling the rising pollution.
लाइव लेबागिन कोई गाड़ी अमन बजा तो सिक चल गवाती देगे होरगा स्वाई देगे अदम होबन दिल्ली भौदी गाड़ी अमन बजा से मणिपुर पुसलकने अब अदुना सेस आदमी की पोल्यूशन थोदना यादरदना थिंगबद कोइना पुलायब अकोई की तारीख ज्ञान से करी ज्ञान ओंतिंग यंगबिरो मीने यादरे सु यादरे समानदरो मीने यादरे गाइदो नेशनल कोई याने नमु थौरी सिबो मी उद्रिंगे दे लोने थोगे खलिसे करिगिनो लेबाग सिदि कोई पुन्न सेमिनगदबनी लेबाग सि पुन्न ngangminagदबनी लेबाग की दमुत पुन्न खनगदबनी अदु नतदना कोई खरना लावरगा अतैना दुम लोना लोना कारण दौरगदी कैदोंगैनो अखोइना असे अफबा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ प्रकटुसे कैदोंगै
Community Recreation Center cum Library Ningom Thongjau Kitnapanu in collaboration with Community Medicine Reims and Kanchi Nutrition Center Kanchipur organized one-day free medical camp at Ningom Thong Mela ground today. 14 doctors from various fields checked up 200 individuals and free medicines were also distributed at the camp. Krishna Diagnostic Center gave free diagnostic tests during the camp. Officials of India and Myanmar jointly carried out a cleanliness drive at No Man's Land area at the border of the two neighboring countries today. The cleanliness drive was led by Deputy Commissioner H. Rupachandra from the Indian side and Deputy Commissioner of Tammu Mint Tin Ung from the Myanmarese side. The Myanmarese officials urged the Indian officials for proper waste disposal management at No Man's Land. Taking part in the drive, SP Technopal Dr. S. Ibomcha assured of proper maintenance, referring to restrictions on the entry of vehicles from India. In some areas of Myanmar, SP Bomcha urged DC Tammu to impose similar restrictions on vehicles coming from Myanmar towards the Indian territory in some areas. The Deputy Commissioner of Tammu has assured to impose the restrictions after definite resolution of the ongoing border controversies. Lions Club of Greater Imphal, in collaboration with Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC, carried out a cleanliness rally from Uripok to IMC today. Employees of IMC and eminent members of the club participated in the rally. Speaking on the sidelines, President of Lions Club Greater Imphal, N. Umakanta, said the rally aimed to raise awareness on how to keep Imphal city neat and clean. The organizers also distributed rice to IMC sweepers, appreciating their contributions in keeping the city clean. Moirang Kendra Progressive Fronts today joined in nationwide celebration of National Youth Day held in relation to the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. The event was held at Moirang Shiribon Laikai. Solar sheet and batteries were distributed to 50 families below poverty lines of Moirang constituency. Senior citizens of 10 households were felicitated on the occasion. Now the sports news. Manipur gained 7 medals, including 3 golds on the 5th day of Khelo India Youth Games at Pune today. The medals were bagged in judo and weightlifting events. Thangjam Tababi bagged a gold medal for Manipur in the 52 kg judo event. L. Nganthoy and T.H. Abungcha bagged a silver medal each in the 52 kg and 66 kg categories respectively, while R.K. Daina and L. Chauba bagged a bronze medal each in the 63 kg category, and El Guguria secured a bronze in the 66 kg category of the judo event. In the weightlifting event, S. Bindiarani won a gold medal in 55 kg category for under 21 girls by lifting a total weight of 179 kg, while L. Sadananda claimed a gold medal by lifting 249 kg in the 73 kg category for under-17 boys, and Sundarjit settled for a bronze medal by lifting 252 kg in boys under 21 73 kg category. Mohan Bagan FC defeated Neroka FC 1-0 in a match of the ongoing 12th edition Hero I League played at Kolkata's Salt Lake Stadium this afternoon. The lone goal of the winning team was scored by Sonny Norde at the 78th minute of the match. In the league's points table, Chennai City FC is at the top with 24 points from 11 matches, while Neroka FC with 22 points from 12 matches is at the 4th position. Neroka FC will play against Churchill Brothers FC at Goa's Tilak Maidan on January 19. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Black Day against Undemocratic Act. Students of Manipur observe Black Day against recent injuring of protesters in Tripura during NESO strike on January 8. Meeting denounces CA Bill 2019. National People's Party convenes crucial meeting against Citizenship Amendment Bill in Guwahati today. False assurances. MPCC asked CM Biren Wai to urge Centre to exempt Manipur for Citizenship Amendment Bill after assuring that it poses no threat to Manipur. And the social bodies decry Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Namuko and 12 other civil society organizations jointly carry out protest meet and rally against the bill.